Today I'm going to show you how to disable or discontinue contact sync in the Facebook app. So let's get started. First, let's open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, access to the settings, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right or the bottom left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select settings and privacy and select settings. Now let's find the contact sync settings. Scroll down to the media and contact section. If you cannot find it, you can simply search for it as well. Here you can find an option that says contact syncing or contact upload. Simply toggle the switch off. If you want to remove existing synced contacts, go back to the contact upload, as you can see here. Here you may find an option to delete existing contacts that were previously synced. Simply toggle it off here as well. If the contact already were synced, you can find it over here. You can simply delete it also. And that's it. You've successfully disabled contact sync in the Facebook app.